Let's go review the 91 Shadowfax 29T. Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be reviewing the Shadowfax 29T from Outdoor 91. Let's start off with the gears. Having a 3-bike drivetrain, the advantage is you get a wider range of gears, and when you're doing a slightly longer distance, you get that comfort and a lower cadence when it comes to doing a higher speed. And now let's talk about the derailleurs itself. On the rear, you have an Acera derailleur, which does the job of shifting very well. It is quite crisp and gives you a lot of confidence when you're on the road. The front is a tourney. The tourney also is quite crisp and it gives you very good and prompt shifts. Next part of the gears, the shifters. They are quite comfortable and ergonomically designed, so you are comfortable shifting and braking when you're on the bike. The front suspension, which is an 80mm coil suspension, does give you a good amount of comfort when you're on the road, and even on bad roads, which is typical in our cities, it does give you that little bit of extra comfort on your shoulders and your arms. Oh, and before I forget, a nice thoughtful feature here is this little window, which will tell you a green light if it is free and red if it is locked. Next, the brakes. The 160mm mechanical disc brakes are quite sharp and give you good braking power at all times. Now the frame itself. This design is quite comfortable, and I think if you guys are looking for a nice urban commute which can handle any and all bad roads, this frame is perfect for that. If you guys are urban commuters looking to take this bike and ride it to office, you're going to be wearing slightly formal attire, there's something nice on this bike, this chain guard. So this chain guard, what is nice is that it's going to prevent your pants from getting caught in this crank and, well, getting greased and spoiled. And now, rider comfort, the seat. This seat is quite soft and comfortable, so you do get a lot of comfort when you're doing long distance rides. Now this was my honest review of this bike. Here are a few of the things which I would like to change to make it, well, better for me. The first thing I would change would be the pedals. While the plastic pedals are not bad, I would prefer metal pedals which offer a little bit more grip and durability. Next is the stem. Again, there's nothing wrong with this stem and would be quite comfortable for most people. But for me, I like to get a little bit more control, and having a shorter stem gives me a little bit more control on the bike. So that would be something which I would change too. The next thing I would change would be the seat post. My inseam is a little longer, so this is a little short for me and is not correct for my height. So I'll need a slightly longer seat post to get the saddle height right for me. Next part of the gears, the shifters. These are integrated shifters, which, as you guys know, I do have a pet peeve. I do not like integrated shifters. So this is something which I would probably look at upgrading and separating the brakes and the shifters. So my verdict on this, if you guys want a bike that's not just good looking, but comes Shimano equipped from the factory, a lifetime warranty on the frame, and a price a little above 26,000 rupees, not to forget, they do offer good after-sale support too. This bike is an awesome bike for you.